And Obaku could do for Afia Schwarzenegger, any TikTokers, any other Ghanaians, Backlash with John Mahama, any of these for no. After say Lily, our GH1 team ever patch for attacking, Okudzeto Ablakwa, no say hey, just end this for. What some of the culture of silence ever on just say mono young criticizing government no say any moon so much Afia Schwar one fans be all blast to mopa. Member nchiri mo no acha da wadwa ma me e comment section. I hype Penyah block media. Best say any day mo. Obe like video no other mo subscribe button and back click notification icon of latest updates na better the wadwa dey ma me e comment section so ba so. No acha for enya bia hwe. So back ya enche bia last week ni mo baby ana a show speed we piem e Ghana ha no mo. As oba for tour Africa you know be tour Africa na or the beautiful scenery of Africa because for decades the Westerners, especially the Americans, who Africa as Africa a place the most a poor zone. Light new or light in so crowd so 90 kilometers away. And so Makokunya in so crowd such a whole lot of issue. Anna, you then infiltrated the mind of the Americans. Among who Ghana Africa said Sebi, you're poor. You are seeing any poor. It is speed episode changing the narrative for the Africans. It's on the platform, the big platform, every man a free promotion. Emma through the turn about Ghana no buy you how it be as a call. In fact, Ghana were coming in here.
We are here. We are here in God. Yeah! 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 No! Everybody in the chat, spit up the W's in the chat right now, bro. Everybody in the chat, spit up the W's in the chat right now, bro. Everybody in the chat, spam up the W's in the stream.
And you can discard in the water because obviously
it's fresh.
It's very fresh.
Damn. Why you so cold, bro? Damn.
Isn't it bomb? It's so good. Have you had a mango this good yet?
No.
I know.
Is this fresh? Chat, this that natural, bro. Chat, this that natural, chat. Holy crap. Holy crap. My fault, chat. This deal.
Ghana, we give him a very beautiful welcome. And this is how the outro went.
So one leg each. Let's heal him.
Heal me.
He just came from a boxing match. Experience the magic of shea butter. Freshly handmade shea butter. Amazing for the skin, muscles, and healing for the body.
I'm getting healed. Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm getting healed.
Yes, and I be nice. Emma, about Ghana no. Now speed na cause or Ghana ni chief Ghana. It's because of that no. Yeah, man, the Ghana name a coupon for him for Emma ni dini. Emma, right after that, Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa, our former Affairs Minister, Emma no Ghana passport. Say onye Ghana ambassador in diaspora. Say onye Ghana ambassador Emma ye America honama. Now Anna GH1 presenter Lily, cause it doesn't make any sense. So I didn't tell you about that crope. Obedi ni Juma ko, o say man Ghana kana say ya man Ghana passport. Now the Ghana passport aya for sir. Ya di cheza ele mi pay bi o. Say aya for sir ele mi pay bi. It was that obe blast here.
Social media. And I think that I must add my 2 cents to it. Listen, let's get serious as a country. If we like this country, we know be serious. Somebody comes to Ghana, I understood. He's a streamer. He's putting Ghana on the global map. He's doing whatever. Then the person comes to Ghana for a day or 2, and then you shove the Ghanaian passport into the person's hands. Munye serious, Munye serious. Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa, you were somebody that we had high expectations of. You shove a Ghanaian passport into the hands of somebody who comes, who is streaming, who is embarking on his own personal thing. Okay, they're coming to jump on our jollof, coming to jump on our Black Star Square. What has it done to our GDP? What has it added to our economy? Wudimaya has been putting Ghana on the map globally. Have you seen that he's gone to America and the Americans have shoved him an American passport? Even Nigeria. Has Nigeria given him a passport? Too much. You've given him a Ghanaian passport. For what achievement? What has he done for Ghana? That he's come to sit on our jollof. And the moment he steps on the jollof and walks away, Ghanaians jump on that jollof and eat from jollof that he sat on. When you serious, with the greatest of respect, let's put some value on our passport. Let's put some value on this country. So anybody walks into Ghana, oh, I'm putting Ghana on the map, and every minute we show them Ghanaian passports. Meanwhile, Ghanaians are queuing for passports. Ghanaian citizens born in Ghana, per the dictates of the Constitution, it gives them the rights of citizenship. They are queuing. People are going through the corners. You're saying that you're giving us access into the passport system so that you eliminate ghost names, girl boys. But Ghanaians are still struggling to access common passport. If somebody comes to Ghana, beautiful. I don't have any problem with him. I mean, I don't know him. I never heard of him until he's coming into Ghana. So that's okay. I mean, people know him. People hail him. And it's a beautiful thing he's doing. It's a risky venture, and I commend him for his bravado, for his braveness. He's very bold. For a young chap, he's very bold. And so I commend him. I think he needs a pat on the back. However, to give him a Ghanaian passport, what has he done to deserve a Ghanaian passport? Let's get serious in this country. For real, let's get serious. There are so many things that we can do in this country. In December, we've cancelled Dirty December. What was the replacement? Zilch. What revenue did it generate for the country? Zilch. And this is what we are interested in? Dashing passport like confetti? Let's come again. Anyway.
No, blast here, no. Oh, be any they see less than 12 hours that same day. And was about a patch.
Hi there, Lily. Good afternoon to you.
How are you? I'm good.
What's up with you?
I'm the lady in the trance, isn't it?
Yes.
Unfortunately. Anyway, thank you very much. So, good afternoon to you. So, this morning on GH Today, I shared an opinion on a decision by the Ghanaian government to issue you as a YouTuber IShowSpeed with a Ghanaian passport. I concede, however, that some of my comments were overboard and unsavory, and that I sincerely apologize to the Minister for Foreign Affairs, Samuel Okudzeto, Ablakwa, as I apologize to viewers who were offended. Do have a good day.
It's still news from here on GH1 Television. Thank you so much, Lily Mohammed.
Na chopan, and if you say, naturally say, and this is for a threatened TV station, no. As I threatened that lady, no. I was saying, the Juma is. Or ya lose na dwuma enu nti ana obe patch on free ni pep your pressure ya mde good so ena obe patch den abusan Afia Schwar abe blast then say mo ka kire wo mu no enye easy
mo dem hu ya nkama amaji H1 ni na me patch o because ye no amoye no yi moto me my question is enti passport ni etimi ye bi 1 day less than 1 day mobi de call ena Ghana 40 Epa passport to kwa na mutimu ni chase ni. Mutimu mami true. Mwa monum kan say prison for true. Passport no bi timi beji bi ko in less than 6 hours. Otimi na Ghana passport de ko. But the Ghanaians who needs the passports are begging you people for it. Die yankwa ne hia musa politicians amu Ghana. Die here. And to get me apologize. You can't first and end apology no. A first apology. And whoever asked for that apology should be ashamed. What happened yesterday was exhibition of foolishness. Semu Ghana na ye de one no samate. Ye one no. Enti mo 4 years pena mu bedi no. Mu susu unjimi. En susu fire passport. En cheche. Et said your chrono. E yen wura bi. Nigeria for kwa ma wo passport. Nigeria passport. Ye mfa ntwapo. Wo kro ma mani bi. E gira ho je apology for such a stupid act. Men ne mo so mo. Wa wo je apology ni bia men ne wo shableso ne wo kraso. Tell Ghanaians why people have to wait 3 months, 4 months, 5 months and more for the same passport you were able to give somebody yesterday. And on a munkancha Ghana for shameless he goats, motherfucking assholes, nitwits, piece of shit.
Yeah, good people. Me chacha mo. I hope say BBI come. Yes, time Emre is going to expose everything in some who be a mukafa nanado. Nanado wa power. And the media is under attack. Say everything. Ghana 4, NBC 4, inciting Nkrofo, BBC or media so. Nanado wa power. Media houses. Nina sorry tia papai can sem against his government. The minister is arrogant. What I say, a buy we buy a buyer or a darling boy for party no because you who say media houses about papa na why. And ne journalists can't say na other so be patcho na obi ho ane ya makwa ya sheno ama media house na de TV. GH1 sans ensem ekosi yenu abai the same girl here 2020 free 2024 hoba and someone GH1 omutena ho the way ya omo kan gu na nado so to da bia omo reprimand papa no attacks ye hu one day ya omo post to bibi kra show omo so omo delete ana say omo mepacho girl week in some way 2024
suffering. Cost of everything is on the ascendancy. Ghanaians cannot even buy gobe. Ghanaians cannot even buy kenke. Now kenke sellers say they are selling epe. Mekuna ye didn't know. And you, Mr. President, is telling us that we should have patience. Patience for what? Why are you failing to admit that I have failed? You've been politicizing this issue, and this is somebody's legacy. What is your legacy, Mr. President? What is your legacy?
Oh, wait, 2024. Okay, can't see me. I am friend of that. Say ome pacho. Sa I show speedy our bag Ghana. And yes, I'm on a passport. Yes. And you know by na doing or passport the man said you two no or sha say sadeno ya che. It you have to be serious near the idea. Or can't answer me, yintin some more kind
social media. And I think that I must add my 2 cents to it. Listen, let's get serious as a country. If you like this country, we know be serious. Somebody comes to Ghana, I understood. He's a streamer. He's putting Ghana on the global map. He's doing whatever. Then the person comes to Ghana for a day or two, and then you shove the Ghanaian passport into the person's hands. When you're serious, serious. Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa, you were somebody that we had high expectations of. You shove a Ghanaian passport into the hands of somebody who comes, who is streaming, who is embarking on his own personal thing. Okay, they're coming to jump on our jollof, coming to jump on our Black Star Square. What has it done to our GDP? What has it added to our economy? Woody Maya has been putting Ghana on the map globally. Have you seen that he's gone to America and the Americans have shoved him an American passport? Even Nigeria. Has Nigeria given him a passport? Too much. You've given him a Ghanaian passport. For what achievement? What has he done for Ghana? That he's come to sit on our jollof. And the moment he steps on the jollof and walks away, Ghanaians jump on that jollof and eat from jollof that he sat on. When you're serious, with the greatest of respect, let's put some value on our passport. Let's put some value on this country. So anybody walks into Ghana, oh, I'm putting Ghana on the map. And every minute, we show them Ghanaian passports. Meanwhile, Ghanaians are queuing for passports.
And somehow can you na emra okan ye pe na post no video na omo post wo GH1 no okan sem we asem okan fine one na nya adwen a we nya tim didi oni obi atem ye ka about press freedom see ma press kwa na nado e time ensem a me bo kire wa ga yi kai no o maka de sensa Brother Thomas Michel o maka de sensa akura kire na nado. They have said worse than that. There was nowhere yedi ensheko to DH1 for say asema makamon delete we o kan ye pe na video we o mo delete free ho tambia o be program o editorial so ma post sa video no o kan ye pe no si video we o mo delete video we free o mo delete free o we ye no o ma sa ma ge we abepa chew enso no mo se na nado ene otietia press freedom so ne press no nkra wutimi bie wa no nkasem GH1 and say I am a for about gold board and sema ombeka wansem omo tro asem ne de to okwajo mi cha epe ene ye share won so mo delete omo ye manjo online bi city online we omo bi Peace FM online OKFM omo nyina omo de yom ene omo editorials no kra wo ka bibi na nya yi pe age journalist a ejina omo na mo so zena na ya kesi edi o ka bibi o jana so kwam sifa kan no ene kwam ye dinkrane sam nkrofo bi oman hene ene ade omu enya yi but other people na aka so as I say omu can be especially GH1 omu timi true story nya so much and true story IMF story omu true ye no na nya ntro the same thing na GBC mpo true ye graphic timi true story ni ya story a graphic a true no enya story I say ukọ asem ni nkra details ni nema yes omu puli ni da ene Ghana for small no mo se Akufo Addo na enye me say na nado say the battle is the Lord ye nyina ye behu bi we will see these people preached incited people makacham say ndisi jaju unimom sa na omote omai so owie no ombe kano den say ye be say nipa ye say owie a omunya tumi na oma kire munyansa because mumu bebre no Jeje omu ne say omu etitisika mamo most of the journalists media houses no etitisika mamo to mumu bebre maton integrity they don't respect you people yenye countries a omaya etimi da bia meka Netherlands hanya ha na efiri hanya ye man nanso no sabe o kan asem kire wadwen a ye mekire unless we twa ntro na asem no it borders on security ohini ye o kruma nkrofo tibi ye program Chromadin prime minister everything Chromadin bi kura use words sometimes cry na too harsh o journalist go by o mo Chromadin ene Ghana hwe gawi asem okokan no ya mano yeso on pacho because media houses no maton mo so cheap ene nkrofo we tie na yesi pacho asem again kan wan carbon say your passport your ma dignity mbram wan carbon me sa de no me support to da say ebinum baga na nya ne ene start ya che ya hu say ebinum ba say amom say amom fa procedure nim say be ma me what I think ni say en say yes bia ya ma resident say ye hai ye betimi ama say bia wo ye bibi na sa ban no oso obo abrochira nyina wo ha ba ya mfa passport nhya wonsam ebi be ma resident no na enu mu no wa grow and I say timer say ujo passport no even though you get some preferential treatment there but be far process so it asema abayo kai wan carboni o enso hwe yamana pachaw me se na nado papa no nankopon be sira no papa no nyangu yeda o musisi a nyame be ma no de nani ehuni ama bebre na mo Ghana fo bebre no papa na fe mbe hu ntro na NDC fo no ye na wo ye hwan ene ne ma no mo be hu the real nkrofo a omo ye we no mo be hu omo na me ka mo
Chira wadwe mame e wo comment section. Penyah Media. Akra.